Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the session number 36 from the chapter of laws of motion. The topic is the calculation of pseudo force on an object which is lying in a moving lift. So, based on this topic, I have generated one question. This is a very simple question in which there is a lift which starts accelerating upwards at the rate of 2 meter per second square. So we have to find the pseudo force on the block of 10 kg which is lying at rest on the floor of this lift. So in the session number 34 we have already studied that a pseudo force is an apparent force which appears to act on an object when observed from the non-inertial frame of reference, and the non-inertial frame of reference is the frame which is either accelerating or rotating. So here the lift is accelerating upwards in the upward direction at the rate of 2 meter per second square. So the pseudo force will come into play, and this will be acting in the opposite direction of the acceleration of the lift, as we have already studied in the session number 34. So the direction of the pseudo force will be opposite to the direction of the acceleration of the lift, and its magnitude will be, I'm just denoting here the pseudo force as Fp. This is equal to minus ma. Here minus sign indicates that the direction of the pseudo force is in the opposite direction of the acceleration of the lift in this case. So the direction will be downward, and the magnitude will be equal to m is 10 kg and a is equal to 2 meter per second square. This will be equal to 20 newtons, and the direction will be downward. So the magnitude of the pseudo force will be equal to 20 newtons, and this will be acting in the downward direction. So thank you very much for joining this session. In the next session, I will be coming up with another different type of a question from the same topic of pseudo force. So till then, have a nice day. Bye.